So guys, today is another beautiful day. I'm here again to make a video that will help you to achieve your migration dream. Well, today I'm not supposed to be making a video because I've traveled. I'm in a porter cabin, far desert, on a work schedule, but I just think that I can't skip today. I need to give you information that will help you so you can see. At this point, it's quite tough for me because I'm in a porter cabin, so I'm trying to make sure that you have this information and that you're able to do your, applications to move to country of choice. And today I'm gonna be talking about US, and I will be speaking specifically on caregiving jobs. So if you're someone who is interested in caregiving job, you do have a care background, or you don't even have a health or care background, then that is fine, because most of the job actually do not really need someone who has a care background. They're gonna give you basic training, and you just get on the job, and start up and build up your career slowly. Or if you're a student or someone who wants to travel as a care worker, or even as a student, you should pay attention and listen and watch this video. Probably this may help you. Okay, I'll also be telling you about an institution where you can go get a training online free and start the care job. So let's just anchor as I go through this, okay, with you. Remember, I said I'm in a quite in a tight place, but I just have to do this video because it's quite important that I give you an information that will help you. So let's go on my screen and see. Thank you. Hello guys, today I will be taking you through being a carer in the US. If you are someone who plans to be a carer in the US and you think that this is what you like to do, you want to work as a carer in the US, then stay tuned because this video is for you. I'm going to be taking you through some of the websites that you can apply to become a carer in the US, who are applying, taking people to work in the US with visa sponsorship, and even relocation assistance for some of them. So I'll be taking you through a number of these care homes, so you would be able to go through them and apply. And all you need to do is, most of them, you go through the application, their career, and see what is available, and you apply. Whereby, so for some, you just have to register your interest and drop your CV, and they'll contact you if they think you meet up with their requirement. Okay. Yeah, so the first one I would like to draw for you is Care Planning Institute. Yeah, if you just go to your website and you type careplanningInstitute.org, or even you go to Google and type it, it's gonna come out. So you open the website, you can go through their home, and you go to different pages, where you're gonna see information about them. Look at what they do. They care for people with Alzheimer, dementia. They care for adult children with disability. They care for elderly parents and common diagnosis. Okay, so those are their areas. Okay, so if you want to understand what they do, then that is fine. They have nursing home, retirement, residential care, and care options. These are all the different places where you can actually exploit to um, where you can work. So if you're a caregiver, you can just come here. But otherwise, you can also come to care option to see, the kind of things they do, which I've just exposed you already. You're gonna see that they have, yeah, different services which they offer. So, but just if you're a caregiver and you're looking for a job, you can go to caregiver. You can say, do you want to become a personal care attendant and make a difference in people's life? Yes. If it is yes, then please click on the link to apply for employment at the Care Aid with Care Planning Institute. So you just hit up on this link. This link will take you to the application page where you will see instruction on how to apply. So you can see it took you to Indeed, where they've listed some jobs. Okay, already. So you can see jobs with Client Care Planning Institutes. They're gonna pay $35 to $40 per hour, so you can apply here. Yeah, so that is where you have to apply. You just go through it to see all the information. And once you find all the information, then that is fine. You hit up apply now and make your application. Okay. Yeah, so it takes you through. You just log in and start the application. So that is fine. So the next I would like to take you through is Caregiver USA. So you can just go and type caregiverusa.com. It is another caregiver home which you can use to migrate to the USA. For this, you just come to here, come to this page and put in your names, put in your emails and your phone number and make your application there and submit. And once they find you eligible, they will contact you for you to join them. But then if you want to go to their career page, you can also go to their career page, okay? We're gonna see informations about their career. You'll say if you want to apply for a job, you can come here to hit up apply. Okay, so let me just go back a bit. Yeah. Say, I love working for Caregiver USA because they were understanding and flexible around my full-time class. This is for a student who had testimony, but just look at what I want to take you through. Caregiver USA flexible hours and super competitive pay, plus you will join a great team of dynamic caregiver, blah, blah, blah. It is time to experience a new way of providing health care. We are currently hiring all skill level apply today. So look at their remuneration, 18.50 per hour. Okay. Yeah, so that's what they pay. So if you think you wanna be, work with this kind of people, then you can apply and get the application started. Okay. Yeah, this is just if you want to get some question and answer, you want to get to understand more, can go there. So just hit apply now. So that is what you have to do. But it is important for you to come here and put in this information in case you have any challenge with applying through Indeed. You just know that already you've contacted them. This also, if you want to call them directly, you can hit up here. So the third one I want to talk to you about is Papa. Papa.com is also very renowned for bringing caregivers. So if you go to Papa, you can just come here. I come to career, which is this page already. I came there already. So if you come to the career page, you can read. At Papa, we are united by a single goal to create a world where no one has to go it alone. We do meaningful work and makes a real difference either as full-time employees or as members of our extended workforce of Papa Pals join us. So yeah, so if you have to join them, you gotta say their value, be a pal, blah 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 blah. So you see all those information. If you want to join them, you can hit be a pal. So that brings you to this page where you can get started, okay, and provide the information, complete qualification step, approved now. It's time to go. So once you're done with this, you're good to go. So you hit or get started. Assuming you don't have any pro care experience, you hit up get started and you put in your information. Okay, actually, this one starts to use the application. So maybe you use your Android phone so that you can download this application. So that when you say get started, you have to fill this application through the app. Okay, and you complete it. So that's how to enroll and start with Papa. Another one I want to talk is with Caregiver Careers. For this, is like a program where you can do learn skills for caregiving if you don't have any prior experience. Okay, I want to move and say it's a free training, $500 bonus. Become a certified direct care professional in Wisconsin. Help others and feel reward with our certification program. Free training plus 500 bonus. So that means a lot. From what they are saying, I've never not confirmed this information that you can get free training and also get a bonus of $500. Okay, just to become a caregiver with custom and look at the program which are doing. So you can just look at the programs, list of program which are training for for you can say receive free online training and certification testing, get a 500 bonus when you complete the course and work for an eligible employer. So you can actually do this online free. I can get this bonus. So this will help you to get a job quickly. So if you're someone who do not already have a job or who do not have any prior caregiving experience, and you think you want to join the caregiving, you know, business or job, then you can give that a shot. Go get that training. That's why I've added it. And once you get the training, it will help you to sort of everything you have to do about caregiving. Okay, yeah, to work, to have experience, to be able to, you know, get job placement and all that. So, guys, I'm gonna stop here for caregiving jobs in the US. But then, all I have to tell you is that you can actually move to the US through caregiving because they are really looking for caregivers. They don't have enough caregivers now, and they really need caregivers to come to work in the US. So, guys, give it a shot, and I hope that this will help you. Thank you.